Hello, dear learners. Welcome to another English class. And in today's class, we're going to be looking at the topic titled Modal Verbs. We're going to be looking at the topic titled Modal Verbs. So, I don't know how many of us must have heard about modal verbs before, but I know many of us are familiar with verbs. But today, we're going to be looking at modal verbs, what they are, and the various examples of modal verbs we have and their various uses. So it promises to be a fun and exciting class. Please stay tuned and learn something new in today's class. Now we're going to be simply starting with the definition of modal verb. Now, modal verb is an auxiliary verb that expresses necessity or possibilities. Modal verbs are simply helping verbs. Now, they are simply those words used with verbs that helps to express necessity or possibility. Now, we have various examples of modal verbs which perform various functions like expressing necessity, obligations, possibilities, and a lot. And we're going to be looking at each of these one after. Now we can use modal verbs to express possibility, express obligations, express ability, ask for or give permissions. Now, like I said, these modal verbs they assist verbs and they can perform these various functions like to express possibility, express obligation, express ability, and ask for or give permission. Now, the modal verbs that we can use to express possibilities are your may, might, and will. We use modal verbs may, might, and will to express something that is likely to happen. That's what express possibility means. Something that is likely to happen. We have an example on the screen. I might change the world soon. So this is used to express something that is likely to happen. You can say, I will travel tomorrow. That is expressing possibility of something that is going to happen. It may rain today. So all these are various examples of modal verbs that we can use to express possibilities. Now, examples of modal verbs that we can use to express obligations are your should, have to, or must. Now, these simply are used to talk about things that needs to be done. Things that needs to be done. I should be a good leader. I should be a good leader. I have to finish my homework. I must eat my vegetables. So these are the examples of words used to express obligation, and they are all modal verbs. We have your should, have to, and must. We also have examples of modal verbs that are used to express ability. That's a strength, something that can be done. We have can and could. Now we use can and could to express ability. I can be anything I dream. That is used to show ability. I can fly, I can run, I can swim, he could jump, he could sing. So we use these verbs to express our ability. The next one we're going to be looking at is verbs that are used to ask for permission, and they are may, can, could. Can we say the word together? May we fly? Can I borrow your pen? All these are used to ask for permission. So we've looked at a lot of verbs for expressing possibility, obligation, ability, or to ask for permission. So we now know what I believe with that we now know what we use our modal verb for. So in case you have any questions about your modal verbs, please do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section and I will make sure I give answers to everything. So you learned about modal verbs, which are what auxiliary verbs that express possibility or necessity. We looked at various types, the ones we can use to express obligation, ask for permission, and we listed a lot of examples like your can, may, could. So I believe when you come across these modal verbs, you can be able to tell what each of these modal verbs can be used for in sentences. Thank you very much for listening to this class. I can't wait to see you in our next class. Bye.